Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. Here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Taurus. Taurus 2024 September. Let's see what we have for Taurus. What I will say, Taurus, right now your whole focus is on your growth. You just want to grow financially and do extremely well. You are also overcoming all your obstacles eventually. Okay. Here, I feel that you are always. You have choices in front of you, but you are not still deciding where to go. Okay, a few of you Taurians are literally disappointed, okay, in life. Now the first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. Now let's see in the first week. First week is coming with a very sneaky energy. Somebody sneaking or you're sneaking over someone. Okay, so please be careful. Somebody behind the back is trying to inquire about you, and right now that person is hidden, or I don't see one person, I see group of people. They are hidden, and you're not getting clarity over the situation. Okay, somewhere someone might be behind the scene, behind the curtain, and you are not able to see it. These are all those people who are wanting to see your downfall. These are all those people who really want to pull you down. These are all those people who probably will be very sweet on your face, but will try to bring you down. Okay, for few of you it could be relatives, few of you it could be your even your real siblings, few of you it is a group of friends who might come across as best friends. All right, here what I see is you are also mentally very confused, blurred. You can't see clearly as to who is really honest with you and who's not. You're not trusting anyone. Whoever's trying to come close to you, you're cutting them off. Somewhere, Taurus, right now, you, even if you are whatever age you are behaving as a young boy or a young girl who's still very not sure as to which way to go. Okay, your one foot is still in the past because all your past experiences are also haunting you, not letting you move forward. Okay, and somewhere your attitude and your stubbornness in your attitude is actually also one of the reasons why you are not in a good space in the first week. Wow, that was long, but that actually came like a message from the universe. Okay, and second week, I believe you're going to either you're going to reconcile with someone, or you're going to go back to your school days, or meet your school friends or your cousins, from childhood whom you played with, or probably you'll just sit and think about it. Okay, second week is all about that. Third week is holding on to your money. So here somewhere, the work that you're doing, especially people who are into business, you're going to be holding on to your finances very strongly, and that's a good thing. Okay, so let me draw one more card, because somebody has told you that you have to be careful about your money. Probably you're seeing a guru or a tarot card reader or an astrologer. Somebody's told you be careful of your money, so you're holding your money very tightly. But somebody wants you to spend money, that is probably your spouse, girlfriend, or a colleague, whoever, best friend, some woman around you. Even if you're a woman, it's a woman. If you're a man, it's still a woman. Wants you to spend money. So somewhere it's a struggle going on. Here there are a lot of options of work coming towards you. Lot of options, and these options are also demanding some kind of investment. And right now you are not ready to spare that money, because you feel whatever you have, you need to save it and preserve it and hold on to it. Okay, now should you spend the money? Let me just see. No, your intuition is guiding you. You're very, very right. Do not spend this money right now. It won't be beneficial. Okay, now in the fourth week is all about, I feel fourth week is all about abundance. Money is coming in through work. All your hard work that you have done up till now, money will come. And I feel that not just money, you're going to be moving forward, just not in one direction, 2 to 3 directions. And to these 2 to 3 directions are going to take you a level up in life. Okay. So yes, it's a fairly not a bad week. Just be careful in the first week of lot of hidden enemies, and try to think not out of ego, just having that clarity in life. Many times when we are not thinking out of ego, just having that clarity in life and letting go of all our stubbornness, lot of issues and lot of problems we get saved from. That's true. Okay, so let's see what we have for you in your relationship area. Relationship, Taurus, September. So we'll see for the married and unmarried, and then we'll see the blocks. So married people, unmarried people, blocks for married people, blocks for unmarried people, and outcomes. Okay, let's see. Okay. So people who are married have started learning to listen. They're not listening to their partner, they're listening to the universe. Right now, the universe is speaking to them directly through movies, books, people's advice, reels, and so on. Sometimes when you're just scrolling, you realize there's an answer in that one of the reels that you're watching. So yes, universe is talking to you and you're listening. Probably you're meditating a lot. Some of you, I don't know why I feel a bunch of you are really meditating, and the universe is actually speaking to you, guiding you through. Okay, in your relationship area right now, you really need to have more clarity as to what to do. Should I go forward and embrace my partner? These are for the married people. And what should I do? But you're not taking a lead. You're just talking to yourself, to the universe, and not having that clarity in life. You're just stuck in that space. Okay. And for single people, times are not very good. Okay. Single Taurans, you all want to have that success. You want to have that life partner who will be lucky for you all. But right now, you're just waiting. I feel you're still in a limbo. You're not going forward, you're not going backward. Okay. So in September, what is actually going to happen in September? I feel that there will be opportunities for single people to commit and get and have a committed relationship, proper one, even get married, engaged, but they are not interested. Okay. People who are married really need to heal, really need to cleanse their aura. They really need to clear their throat chakra and speak out the things that they want to say to their partner. So in this month, I feel that everything is stuck for you all. Nothing is going forward, nothing is going backward. You're still in that space where you're thinking, contemplating, I don't know what to do. Nothing is moving and nothing has been decided. Okay? That is how you're going to be in the month of September. So let's see what message we have from Ganesh ji for you, Taurus. Wow, message fell. Capacity of love. Wow, Ganesh ji's trunk. Have you seen how big this is? This is exactly, you need to expand yourself to accommodate a lot of love in your life. Sometimes we expand ourselves energetically. You have to expand your heart, your aura, your energy to accommodate a lot of love which is coming to you in the future. So in the future, you will find whatever you are looking for. But you have to be in receiving, because if you're not in receiving end, you're not expanding yourself, you're not healing yourself, how will you receive it? Right? So email me and WhatsApp me for paid appointments only. Follow me on X, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. I have more content, even Hindi reels are over there. And take care. Goodbye. God bless. Love you all.